This video details how to terminate Hubbell's 90-degree cable exit plugs. All Hubbell 90-degree plugs come with a jack body and a wire manager. The only tools needed to complete the termination are a cable jacket stripper, flush wire cutters, and channel locks. The first step is to feed the cable through the wire nut. Then, strip the cable jacket by scoring the outer edge of the jacket, about 1 to 2 inches from the end, making sure not to damage the conductors. Once the outer jacket is removed, fan the wires out, and remove any non-conductive elements such as center splines, ripcord, and annexed shielding. Now that the inner wires are exposed, align the wire manager to match the label colors to the wire colors. Feed the blue and green pairs into the openings in the wire manager, then, bring the brown and orange pairs around to the bottom of the wire manager. Lace wires into the appropriate slots using the color code on the wire manager. Lock wires into place by pulling down on the free ends. Next, use flush cutters to cut the wires flush to the respective inner and outer surfaces of the wire manager. Open the plug body, and orient the wire manager to the plug body. Close the plug body. Channel locks may be required to generate the required force. Hold the plug in one hand, and carefully rotate the cable to the desired exit direction. Slide the strain relief housing into the slots in the plug housing until it is fully seated, then rotate the threaded cover closed. Tighten the wire nut to provide additional strain relief. If needed, you can easily re-terminate up to 25 times. When finished, perform all the required testing to MPTL limits. Submit results to Hubbell if you are applying for our 25-year mission-critical application assurance warranty.